Hello, Adarsh. How are you?
Hi sir, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, very good. Thank you. Anub Javalkar. Yes, Anub is joined. Uh, Jayalashmi, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Within already joined. Within just to give me a few more minutes. Okay?
Yes, no problem.
So, yes. Few more has to join. So, Vishwanath joined. Yes, Vishwa.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening. We will go with the English and Malayalam both, right? Midun? Yes? Yeah?
Yeah, of course, no issues. However it is.
Yes, Deepak. Yes. Few more has to join.
No problem.
Yes. Two more has to join. So YouTube also there is people. Yes, perfect. Yes. So, good evening all.
Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening. Hi, this is Dr. Manoj Kurup. We are now in FM Experts with Dr. Manoj Kurup. And we have today Mr. Mithun Radhakrishnan. He is working as a head of operations, one of the, biggest manufacturing unit in Dubai. So basically they import the premium meat, process and redistribute around 6,800 square feet cold store, freezer, chiller and production facilities in DIP in Jabal Ali, and 68 temperature controlled vehicles with freezer and chillers is all things, and distributing all across in UAE. And so basically a temperature is their critical control point, and the full-time inventory in-house worth is 130 million dollar or dirhams. Dirhams, yes.
Yeah.
130 million dirhams in-house chiller freezers. Technicians, PPM in place, responsible for full company operations, including logistics and HR, and very high responsibilities he is holding. And we will let us know that what other his operational activities and what he do, and what is the success of behind this. Midhan, this is for you. Yes.
Good evening, everybody. How are you? Hope you all doing well. So I'll just most of them are from Kerala, right?
Yeah, you can start Malayalam and English. Kunal, you from where actually? Kunal Boyer, Kunal Foyer, Kunal. All others are Malayalam and Kunal Foyer. Kunal, can you hear? Yes. Kunal, you from where actually?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay, you can speak in,
Let's keep it in English.
more English and less Malayalam. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
We can go like that. Yes.
Basically, Mr. Manoj already gave me a good introduction. My name is Mithun Radhakrishnan. Basically, I'm from Kerala. I'm from Calicut. I'm here in Dubai for last 2006 onwards. I'm here. I'm into facilities management field for the last 8-9 years. Right now, I'm working as a head of operations of one of the company over here in Dubai. We are a meat importers and redistributors all around UAE. We do have processing as well. So I'm handling the operations of the entire business. So basically, when it comes to our operation, as Dr. Manoj said, temperature is a very critical control point for us. So what we do is that we import premium meat from Brazil, Australia, Africa, South Africa, US, UK, all across the globe, and we bring it over here. According to the requirement of the customers, we distribute a portion. We just process it, reportion it, and we distribute to the household sector over here in UAE. So when it comes to meat, we are dealing with frozen meat and chilled meat. So over here in Dubai, quality and food safety is very important. So temperature is one of our key. Sorry for that.
Mithun, so in that cases, and what type of machinery and production equipment do you manage then? Mostly.
Well, mainly it is freezers and chillers. That is a key thing. We have facility like 6,800 square foot facility. A portion is manufacturing sector. And in the manufacturing sector, the imported meat are like portioned into like small pieces, and different sort of cuts are there. And that is removed to temperature sector and redistributed according to, because the imported item will be very big chunks, okay? So small restaurants and household, they will not be using it out. So we are doing the portioning for household and restaurant sector over here in Dubai.
Okay, good. So basically the purpose of this show, ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ്സ് അവർക്കൊരു പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കരിയർ ഡയറക്ഷൻസ് കിട്ടാതെ നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോ അങ്ങനെ ഉള്ള ഒരു സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ ഒരു കമ്മിറ്റ്മെന്റ് ആണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ ലോങ് ടൈം നമ്മൾ ഈ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇത്രയും ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ്, ഗ്ലോബലി ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് ഉള്ള ഒരു ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി നമ്മൾ അവർക്ക് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി റെയർ the people knows about the facilities management industry over India. Multiple metropolitan cities, yes, they understand that, because there is still facilities management companies and buildings are existing there. So we are introducing different sectors, the professionals, they are come to this show, and they are sharing their experience. So the people know that one, what is facilities management, and most of them is thinking, I mean, it is then in their mind, facilities management is just for a building maintenance and cleaning, but it's a vast areas, 360-degree domain we need to be responsible. So that's the main purpose on that one. So basically I will ask a few more questions, and the audience also will share their questions, so I hope you don't mind to answer. Right?
Happy to answer the questions.
Perfect.
Before going to that, actually, like what you said, facility management is not just like cleaning and maintaining the place very neat and everything. It all depends according to the sector what you are into. ഓരോ സെക്ടറിന് അതിൻ്റെതായ റിക്വയർമെന്റ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇപ്പം എൻ്റെ ഒരു സെക്ടർ എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ഇതിൽ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ ആണ് മെയിൻ. അപ്പം എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ ബിൽഡിംഗ് കാണാൻ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി യെസ്, അപ്പിയറൻസ് ആൻഡ് എവറിത്തിങ് ഇസ് വെരി ക്ലീൻനെസ്, എവറിത്തിങ് ഇസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ഞാനത് കുറച്ച് കാണുകയല്ല, തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ബട്ട് ഫോർ മീ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ, കാരണം എൻ്റെ സെക്ടർ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് എ കോൾഡ് ചെയിൻ. സോ ഫോർ മീ മൈ ക്രിട്ടിക്കൽ കൺട്രോൾ പോയിന്റ് ഇസ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എനിക്ക് ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം വരുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഓരോരോ ഇപ്പോൾ ഷോപ്പിംഗ് മോൾസ് ആണ്, ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് അപ്പിയറൻസ്. ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽസ് ആണ്, ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി they do have their own requirements. Airports are definitely they do have their own requirements. So according to the sector, the scope of facility management and the scope of job also differs. So we need to adjust ourselves according to what the facility is demanding.
Yes, correct. So I can understand that, because if there is any variations of the temperature, there is a chances to spoil the food, and definitely that is a million loss. Yes, I can understand on that. And during this discussions, if you have any questions, you can raise the hand, and definitely you have the opportunity to ask the question. This is the platform for you. And so we just another questions I would like to ask you, Midhan, what maintenance KPI do you track, like mean time to repair, mean time between failure, the downtime or others or anything? So what type of maintenance KPI normally you track?
Well, we cannot afford any type of downtime actually.
Okay.
Because the inventory is very like it worth a lot. So we cannot afford like maximum 5 to 13 minutes. The downtime is the only allowed. So touch wood, so far there was no issues. We just properly maintain. Mainly is we properly maintain the temperature. We have a proper track record. We have alerts and everything set. Definitely, even alerts system may make faults and everything. We do have manual tracking at the same time, automated tracking as well. So that's it.
So you have a backup plan, I believe. Yes. Okay. So that means you have the business continuity requirements and business impact analysis.
We do have.
You do all those things. That's wonderful. So another one is, what action do you take if temperature exceed the set points in your cold store? Is there
if the temperature exceed, there is no criticality or something. It should not go beyond the control point. That's it.
I see. Okay.
So let me explain. So for the freezer, what the temperature what we set is minus 18.
Mhm.
There is no problem if it goes minus 19, 20, 22, there's no issues.
Okay.
But it cannot go below what we are setting is minus 15. According to the government regulatory compliances, it can reach up to minus 10. It is considered to be safe as per Dubai municipality.
So,
But again,
okay.
we are
Yeah,
not going, we are not considering that. We are considering it as minus 15. When it
Okay.
comes to chiller temperature, the Dubai government, they have set it as positive 5 degree.
Okay.
And what
Okay.
it should not go above a positive 5. It cannot reach 6.
Right.
If it
Understood.
reaches
Yes.
6, our goods will get spoiled. At the same time, it can cause hazard and we will get penalty also. What we
Okay.
are setting is minus 4. Sorry,
Fine.
positive 4, positive or plus 4. That is for the chiller.
So you are saying that if it is the temperature goes below that positive 4, it doesn't matter. I mean, yeah.
It can go below, like it can be 4, 3, 2. There is no issue.
Okay.
But it should not go above 5. If it go
Above
above 5,
Got it.
our business is in risk.
Right.
And when
Okay.
it comes to freezer, if it go below 15, we consider our business is in risk.
Mhm.
But government parameters, they give 10. If it goes minus 10, if it drops to minus 9, the government is considering the business at risk.
Perfect. So basically, the refrigeration systems, it is a freon or ammonia? What type of
Ammonia.
refrigeration?
Ammonia.
So you have ammonia chillers.
Yeah, yes.
Those things. It's a very critical points, and so I can consider as you have a high critical environment. Correct.
Somewhat, yes, of course.
Yes, high critical environment. Yes. So
Because we are dealing with food. So if there is any, if we store the food in specifically meat, if we store the meat in a uncontrolled temperature or something, it will go to the end consumers. If the
Right.
end consumer will consume it, definitely there will be casualties and everything. It will automatically reflect and bounce back on us only. There will be a lot of legal consequences and everything. If any foodborne illness get reports from the product consumed from our end.
Okay, perfect. So for the audience that just I would like to tell you facilities management, as I said that it is not one area, it's a multiple areas. So airport operations, residential building, commercial building, shopping malls, what is called cruise terminals, yacht bays, also, it's not in my mind actually suddenly. Manufacturing units, yeah, there are so many areas, universities, college, schools. So these all areas, there is many facilities are there where there is a lot of opportunities for you, global opportunities for facilities management. And recently I never expected there is a multinational companies in Kerala also, because I thought that there is no facilities management companies are existing in Kerala. But there is still CBR is existing in Kerala. Of course, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, yes, there. But recently I came to know that, there is many multinational facilities facilities management companies existing in Kerala. And but still people don't know what is facilities management. Okay. Any questions you want to ask? Anyone audience wants to ask any questions? Anyone wants to raise any question? Kunal, you want to ask any questions? Kunal Boyer, any questions?
No, sir.
No questions. I see. Okay, perfect. So basically, before I start, Vishwanath, thank you very much for your new placement. Vishwanath is my existing diploma of facilities management student, and he's got a placement in one of the healthcare facilities where he's going to join very soon there. And congratulations, Vishwanath. Once again, others, you have any questions? Any questions?
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Yes, please.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Midin, sir.
How are you? Yeah, tell me please.
Okay. So first of all, thank you for giving this much of information, because these are new knowledges for me. And also, I need to understand what are the biggest challenges in managing the cold storage in a manufacturing environment.
Well, when it comes to challenges, there are multiple aspects. Actually, temperature is the thing. When it comes to cold store, energy consumption is a challenge because we cannot turn off the compressor or something just to save the energy or something like that. Okay. So energy consumption is one of the major challenges. What we do to ensure that and optimize energy consumption is that we do have automations. Like when it comes to the optimal temperature, it will go into defrosting mode, which will save energy. Secondly, we make sure the entire chambers are like there is no there is no leakage of temperature. It is properly insulated, and we do have weekly and monthly checking on all the insulation and everything, and we restrict frequent opening and closing of the doors. Actually, it is a huge door for each and every chamber. So definitely we need to open it frequently for the inventory in and out. So we train the staff in such a way that they maintain the doors. They don't keep the door open for a long while.
Right. Yes. Jalashmi, any question? Any more questions? Okay.
Sir, one more question.
Jalashmi is prepared.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, how do you manage all those waste, like all industrial waste and food waste and packaging waste, all those things?
Yeah.
Before we start,
Good question.
she's a student of diploma in facilities administration.
Okay.
And she's very excited to join in facilities management industry, and so she's learning as much as possible about the facilities management, and very potential candidates in the industry. So she's having the capability to become in a higher levels, right? So who knows that we need to work under her in future? We don't know that.
Great.
Yes.
Well, as always, happy to share information because by sharing, I'll be sharing my knowledge. At the same time, I'll be grabbing something from you people as well. So it's a win-win game.
Yes.
Coming to Jayalakshmi's question, is a very relevant question nowadays because the entire world is running behind sustainability, and it is correct because definitely we need to think about the people like our future generation to come. So far, like the practice, what it was here, like 5-6 years before, was that whenever there is a food waste, whatever it is, let's say not meat or something, whatever it is, whatever waste it is, we need to take an approval from the Dubai municipality, and we need to pay a fee for that, and we need to send it to them, and they will be doing landfilling. Okay. Nowadays, landfilling is not considered to be an eco-friendly practice. So now what we are doing is that not us, most of the companies we are partnering with, I will not say hiring or something like that. Nowadays, we are partnering with everybody because we consider each and every individual as a partners. So we are partnering with a green fertilizing company who is taking our raw products and they are converting into a fertilizer, eco-friendly fertilizer with no filling, land filling. And after the process, they do give us a green certificate that they are saying this company is disposing the product in a good way without proceeding with land filling. They are converting their waste into fertilizers, which could be useful for the agriculture. So this way, we are supporting the sustainability. Like we are getting into the partnership, and we are supporting and we are actively participating in the sustainability drive.
Perfect.
And this is the process of 5-day process. We used to deliver the waste products over there to their facility, and it is a 5-day process completely. In the 6th day, they will get that converted into fertilizer. They do share the certificate, images, and everything, and this could be kept as in our file as a sustainability record.
So completely you are recycling your waste.
100%, yes.
So zero, environment.
Exactly.
Impact.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. There is one question from YouTube. Yeah, you wanted to. Okay. There is one question from YouTube. So can you explain how facility management is important in today's life? And can you explain what can we like common people can gain from this?
Yeah, sure. Well, facility management is into light nowadays. Even before also this facility management was there, because what we are seeing is the limelight things. Like just for an example, I'm taking the example of a hospital. Okay, hospitals. We are whenever we just say about a hospital, we always look into the what are the doctors, who are the doctors, how professional they are, how qualified they are they having a UK degree, are they having a US degree? Whoever has a UK degree, whatever it is, however efficient this doctor is at, definitely he need a platform to perform. If there is no platform, he won't be able to perform properly. So before also it was there. Now, being we facility managers are in place, we are making it more organized. Correct, Dr. Manoj?
Absolutely true. Absolutely true.
Yeah. So if a surgery or something is happening and in between the power failure is there, definitely that surgery will be a mess. Even airports also, if there is no proper coordination of the facility and the facility supplies, definitely the facility will not work efficiently. It will be a mess.
Absolutely. So facilities management is basically we are supporting the client business.
Exactly.
Putting to support the client core business activities, and for them, facilities professionals are important. That's the reason that there is a global opportunities, and this is a very safe and secure jobs, and there is a lot of potential opportunities for your career growth as well, and high incomes. Basically, we are providing those skills, which is diploma in facilities management as well as diploma in facilities administration. There's a one more diploma is the diploma in facilities operations and maintenance. These three exclusive diploma programs, it's all competency based, skill based diploma, where we are it's a 6 months and 1 year diploma, where the candidates they pass the exam and they got the certificate, and we will provide you placement in also in multinational companies, either they need in India or Middle East and Europe as well. So this is our commitment. That is a reason that we are introducing this program in India. Basically 25 years of my experience in facilities management, and I have very confidence that the potential opportunities within these industries. And Pavan is there. Pavan Sai. Pavan Sai. Pavan Sai.
Good evening. Good evening.
Pavan Sai, yes. Yes, Pavan Sai. Any questions you have?
I do have, but I thought I'll ask at the end of the session.
Okay.
Sir, good evening. Good evening to you.
Good evening. Good evening, Pawan.
Okay, yes.
So my question was how critical it is to manage when you get non-technical FMs.
Definitely. I don't need to explain it.
Yeah. I thought of that and I kept quiet.
Well, I don't need to explain. It will be a mess. I'm not saying we won't be able to manage. We will be able to manage, definitely for
Yeah.
sure.
Adopting and motivating. Yeah.
Pavan is very, a potential candidate for our industry, because Pavan is my diploma in facilities management student, and he's an entrepreneur as well. So he like the philosophy in facilities management. He was very interested. That's why he joined. And yes, Pavan. Before you answer, Pavan, how is the class? Because some more classes you attended, and how do you see the classes?
You see us like school kids and teach everything like ABCD.
Okay, yeah.
I have never come across any lecturers, professors who take such little examples just to make sure that we are understanding everything.
Yes. So
I
what do you
don't say
think?
right from scratch. Yeah, I would say he has seen a lot of, I think, million of people he trained. That's completely different. I thought, looking at his face, I thought it would be like a army training or something like that.
Yeah, like Midun knows that. Midun is my CFM student, so Midun knows that how is our the teaching styles. And yes,
Oh,
because because we for this study, this diploma facilities management, we can't
Yeah.
completely use the technical terms because they are very new into this industry. So we have to go through from the basic.
Exactly.
Like let me give you an example. I just always compare the machine equipments and the hospital. Like you remember, Pawan,
Yeah, yeah. That is what I'm saying.
the critical equipment which is in like an ICU, because what is the specialty in ICU? There will be a doctor and nurse will be
Yeah.
permanently there on ICU. So critical equipment which is in our building that we have to treat as an ICU, right? So that is the
Yes.
critical equipment, and there is a ward as well. Ward means every day, once or twice, the doctor and nurse will come and just you go through your reports, and they will asking the questions and all those things. So this will be a criticality too. That means sometimes these issues will happen. This some failure
Ward.
human. And OP is, I'm just comparing with OP. What is the OP? Because monthly or quarterly you can visit to visit the doctor and just to do the checkup. That's so that's no, so I'm just giving that comparison to understand better way. So
Yes.
they can easily they can connect with the industries. Okay. So that is what Pawan said, and so Pawan, you can easily understand the classes, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Absolutely.
Yes. Thank you very much for your inputs. Yes, Madan, you can answer his question. You forgot, or do you
Coming
want
back to Pawan's question,
Yes.
definitely, I used to have a couple of people, like a lot of people, to our facility and everything. What I have noticed is that the people who are just coming with certification, they deliver the result coming out of them will be very fast. I don't need to like give them training for 3 to 6 months and everything. If it is a normal person who I hire, I will end up giving like 2 to 3 months training for sure, because that is the time frame what the person need to understand the facility. Until and unless I know what is my facility and what my facility require, I won't be able to deliver my properly.
Exactly.
So if it is a certified or qualified facility candidate, the training period will be very less, and I will get my returns out of him or the candidates very quickly. The turnaround will be very quickly.
The only concern is
Definitely, I
not
will
to.
prefer. Definitely, me personally, I will definitely prefer somebody who's qualified at the same time certified.
No, sir. Manoj sir asked only one thing, that we should not spoil his reputation. Keep on learning. Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
And we are serving very huge clients in a very busy city. So we have to make sure that everything is going. We have to cross check multiple times. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes. Facilities, don't come to the facilities just for a one-time learner, because a facilities manager and facilities professional is a lifelong learner. A continued learning is very important there, because as you see that technologies are keep changing.
Updating every single day.
Are
Yes, sir.
changing. So the facilities manager, we have to update everything, because we are the captain of the ship. Okay.
Yeah.
So when we are the captain of the ship, then we need to manage the facilities. So we should know everything. We should update it. We should update it on that.
Update.
Okay. So yes. Any other question, Pawan? Any other
No,
question?
sir.
No, okay.
Thank
Anoop,
you.
you
Thank
have
you.
yeah. Yes, Pawan.
Thank you for both of you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for your attending, and thank you very much for that, Pawan. And yeah, he's because when we do the classes, we know who are the potential candidates for the to the industries. And Pawan, one of the good candidates. And I'm very lucky that, because I'm getting kind of students, because they can understand easily, and they are very much supportive, and it's easy for me to place them somewhere. Yeah, because if the candidate is not ready to learn, see, they should have the will, right? They should have the will to learn something. Then only our job will be easy. Like a doctor is treating to a patient. If a patient is not ready to take the medicine, how can he cure the disease? Correct or not? Yes, it's the
Yes.
same way. And of course, and thank you very much, Pawan. Anoop is there. Anoop, is there any questions you have? Anoop is basically managing a critical environment in back to India. Is the HVAC critical HVAC system he is managing? Anoop, any questions you have? Any
No,
questions?
sir. Right now, no,
No
sir.
question. Right now, no. Okay, perfect. Others, any questions?
Sir, hi Midun, how are you? Hope you're
Yeah,
doing
Doc,
good.
how are you?
Please, you remember Others, your batch in
Oh,
CMS.
really? Hi, man. How are you?
He's
Yeah, I'm doing good.
basically even after he's working for facilities, and he was your batch in certified facilities
Yes,
manager.
yes, yes.
But he's still a hungry man, because
Good.
he wants to learn a lot of things. So he joined for my diploma in facilities management
Very good. Very good.
courses, and of course this is not only for the new graduates, existing professionals also can join, and they can gain more knowledge, and they can apply their day-to-day operational activities within your facilities. Yes, Adarsh, go ahead.
Hi Midun, I want to know, are you using any advanced technology or software to track your daily activities to your
Yeah,
facilities?
we are. We are. Actually, we are not using CAFM or something like that, because that is our requirement is very limited. Our core requirement is temperature. Okay, so we are using software called Dixel, which is monitoring the temperature 24/7. It not only monitors, it gives alerts also. If the temperature is dropping or something, it gives alerts. Whenever there is an alert from one particular area or something, our technicians will visit over there. They will try to find out what is the issue. They will rectify. Mostly it will be the gas issues or something like that, which needs a daily check. We do have like daily checks, weekly checks, monthly checks, quarterly checks, according to the criticality of the area, criticality of the assets also. So this daily walk around down check is happening, and in case if there is any alert or something, it could be in the late nights, it could be in the holidays. In that particular time, this alerts will definitely help us to go and check what is happening over there, what is the fault over there. We'll rectify it on time, and we'll just go. It will go smooth as it is.
Okay,
So
thank you.
in the one second, Adarsh, in that cases, how you manage the assets then? I mean, if you don't have a CAFM system, so how, and through this system, your
We do
existing.
have we are using SAP.
Oh.
But again, SAP is not like, it is more into finance actually, but still there is a separate module in SAP. So in that one, we do have asset register and everything. And from the asset register, we just prioritize asset according to the criticality of that. And we just plan the maintenance based on the assets requirements.
Agree.
Maintenance, compressors, evaporators and all these things which need a regular and we cannot compromise it out, because one particular chamber will be having 3 separate compressors. So 2 will be full-time working, and when it goes to defrost, the other one take place. So it's mandatory for us to have 2 running 24/7 without compromise.
Without a compromise. So yeah, you're absolutely right, because if you are using SAP, then some organization also using the oracles for their facilities management. That's not a CAFM system, but then still they can manage the assets also.
Exactly.
Okay, yes. Adarsh, you want to ask another questions? I believe.
No, that's all, sir. That's all. Thank you.
That's fine.
Thank
That's
you,
fine. Karthikeyan, any questions? Karthikeyan is basically a engineering person. And Karthikeyan, any questions? Karthikeyan Ratnam, any questions? No? So, Midhan, see, what step do you take to reduce the maintenance cost without affecting your quality? So, what's your strategy on this, reducing the maintenance cost?
As I said, mainly the periodic, servicing and maintenance itself. Like, we don't wait for the machine to break down and give a huge bill. So we do periodic, as I said, we do have daily, weekly, quarterly, and everything checks. So if we do that properly, definitely we can avoid huge maintenance expenses for sure.
Right. Perfect. So, Deepak, any question, Deepak? Any
We
questions?
never wait for something to break down and run behind its maintenance.
Right. Perfect. So, how big is your FM team, Midhan?
Altogether, we are a team of 25 people,
Okay.
which is having like supervisors, technicians, and everybody. And definitely, it is not a one-man show for sure. So
Yes.
what we do is that we assign tasks and we give them responsibility, like what you say, we give them accountability as well. If there is any problem, that particular, like each and every chamber, one person is responsible.
Okay.
So
Okay.
he will be closely monitoring it out in a daily basis, and that's it. End of the day, it is not one-man show for sure.
So basically, it's a 24/7 operations, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay. When it comes to energy part, how do you optimize your energy and reduce this refrigerant loss?
Like what I said, we cannot, just to save the energy, I cannot shut down the compressor or something like that.
Correct.
So we do have optimized it, and we have automated the temperature settings. So once the temperature, like what you said, a freezer doesn't require the temperature to go to maximum to -20 or something. -18 is enough. So once it reaches -19, it will go to defrosting mode. So it will automatically save energy. Secondly, we ensure that the chambers are fully insulated. No temperature leaking is at all allowed. So if there is temperature leaking, definitely it will just the compressor need to run more, which in other way result in more energy consumption. And secondly, we train our staff not to leave the doors and everything opened. So whenever there is an actual requirement of in and out, then only they used to go inside and pull the stuffs out. They unwantedly staff movement is restricted.
Okay, that's fine. So you are managing the vendor as well, right? You have a service provider as well, right? So how you measure their performance?
We do have KPIs and everything, and we have a clear SLA. So we compare their performance, and based on that, we just give ranking. That's it.
So as you said that you have unloading and loading process are there in your store, right? So how you manage that energy, because there is a chances to lose the energy, right? So or temperature, not energy, but the temperature loss there. So how you manage this then?
The thing is that the store is designed in such a way. We have like 6 freezers and 8 chillers. So each and every area is different. All these chillers and freezers are connected with the marshalling area. And this marshalling area temperature is 4 degree. That marshalling area doesn't require a temperature of 18 or something like that. So whenever we use the dock shelters and everything open and shut, we don't leave the dock shelters open for like unwantedly open. So whenever this receiving and dispatch is happening, at that particular time only this dock will open. Even if it is opening, we do have curtains. So which will allow which will prevent temperature leakage or something like that.
Perfect. Anyone having any other questions? Deepak? Sorry, Vishwa, you have any questions, Vishwa? Vishwa is there? Vishwanath.
Sir, like, hi Midun. So, like, while managing multiple facilities, how will you ensure to maintain the risks, like whichever is happening? Do you have any strategic plans for risk management in the facilities?
Yes, of course we do. Actually, as I said, we cannot compromise on downtime or something like that. We do have an emergency team and everything. If there is any emergency, the team will get into action. But touch wood, there was no such scenario so far. And coming to that, yes, we did had one. Dr. Manish, if you remember last year flood, we were really badly affected with that particular flood. We do have a risk team, emergency team who just took into action. Coming to that, for any cold storage, that power supply is very important. This
Yes.
particular area was out of power for like almost like 6 to 8 hours. We are maintaining a generator over here, and in good condition, Dubai is never expecting a power failure or something like that. We do maintain that generator properly, and that particular day is the one when the generator was completely in use. If that generator was not in place, our millions inventory was totally gone. So
Yes.
we have as like a secondary backup. We just always maintain that what do you say, generator, and that particular 2 days we survive with this particular generator.
Okay.
Right, done. Any question, Vishwanath? Again, any question?
No, sir. The
Okay.
explanation is
Yes.
clear.
So basically, there is another question within. How do you manage emergency shutdown procedures? Emergency
Like
shutdown.
emergency shutdown, we do have, like as I said, we cannot compromise on the temperature. So far, there was no issue except that particular day. If there is any emergency, we do have a team. We have partners with partnered with cold stores and everything, and we have the provision of shifting the inventory within like 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
In worst scenario.
Okay. So then how do you coordinate maintenance activities with the production to avoid the interruptions? So how you are managing those situations? Like, of course, you have to do the maintenance activities as well as the production cannot stop, right? Because this activity has to move on. So how you are managing this without interruptions?
In normal scenario, we never plan our maintenance activity in the peak hours.
Okay.
So we always do the maintenance activity in the off-peak hours, which would be evening, night, and weekends as well.
Okay.
Okay, in whenever there is, but again, some situations will require maintenance to be done during the peak hours also. In that scenario, as I said, we have a backup plan. Like for each and every chamber, we do have 3 compressors. If anything goes wrong, definitely we cannot wait until the off-peak hours or something like that. We do the maintenance, keeping the other 2 or other 1 running in the maximum capacity.
I remember that for the discussions beginning, you have a vehicles, right? For chiller and freezer vehicles.
Come again?
Chiller and freezer vehicles.
Yes, we do have. Yeah.
So how do you manage the temperature? Because while they are, move the product from place to another place.
It is completely operated by engine power.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it will not, once the engine is on from our premises, it will turn off when it comes back.
Okay. So in case if there is any breakdown in the middle
In
of the
case
road,
we send another vehicle over there. We do the inventory shifting immediately.
I
Because
see.
fully loaded, fully operating chiller can retain the temperature as it is for like 30 to 45 minutes.
32. So you have a standby vehicles.
We do. Yes.
That's
We do.
perfect. Backup plan. Yes.
Because it happens several times in Abu Dhabi. The
Yes.
vehicle is going all the way from Dubai to Abu Dhabi for the inventory shifting, and the goods will be delivered either to the customer's facility or it will be brought back.
Is it 45 minutes enough when you consider the traffic in Dubai traffic? So let us say that let us say your vehicle is breakdown in Abu Dhabi area. So anyway, you have to go from
Until and
Dubai.
unless you don't open the door of the chiller or freezer, it will stay intact.
Maybe some more times.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Any questions? Audience, any questions? There is another questions. Okay, Mithun, see, now is artificial intelligence, right? Artificial intelligence, IoT devices, and all those things. Do you adapt to the technology, artificial intelligence technology within your premises, or still you are in discussions or in future requirements?
Not yet. We are exploring it out. So most probably it will come up. Automation and everything, it is there. Automation is there, alerts is there and everything. But AI, it is not 100% taken or something like that. We are still in discussion about it.
But what do you think that when you are implementing artificial intelligence, this can be save a lot of cost from your side, and we
Definitely it will. It will save a lot of cost and everything,
be
of
more
course.
confident that you will get an alert very early
We will
before.
get precise alerts, and it will just alert like that comes will ahead of time.
Absolutely, yes. So yeah, so that's you can shut down. That's perfect. Any question, Vishwanath, Deepak, there is another. There is an interesting question. What percentage of energy is typically consumed by cold store, and what energy saving initiatives have you implemented?
Yeah. Coming to that, the cold store mainly, mostly like 60 to 70% of the total energy is consumed by the cold store itself. And rest of the percentage is utilized at the manufacturing facility. And of course, the compressors are running 24/7. So 60 to 70% it is consumed by the cold store itself.
Mithun, you said you have an ammonia chiller, right?
Yeah.
So what safety measures you take if there is a leakage of ammonia from your chiller?
Well, we are not storing any ammonia or something like that over here in the premises.
Okay.
Third-party company will come, they will fill, they will leave.
I see. Okay. Great. Yes. So how will you maintain risk while managing multiple facilities? Very interesting questions, which is Vishwanath asked. That's the question he was asked, right? How will you maintain risk while managing multiple facilities?
Yeah, we need to have a plan B in place.
That's it.
That's it.
Yes. Perfect. And others, any more questions? Any more question? Karthikeyan? No questions, others. You are still experienced facility management professionals, and you have to ask some more questions, others. Yeah. Maybe this part, see, basically what happened, this area, okay, let us say if there is a residential building, commercial building, or, the airports or a kind of facilities, people knows that. They know very well, at least they are able to ask a questions. But when it comes to a kind of facility which Mithun is managing, that's very new to many of the people, right? The cold storages and all kind of things. Perfect. So you said you have a 25 the staff, facility staff working with you, and what their roles, like engineers, supervisors?
There are supervisors, technicians, and also.
Okay. So there is no other facilities manager, assistant facilities manager. This role is
Admin staff is there.
okay, perfect.
Admin staff is
How
there.
do you see that the administration staff, support for your entire facility operations?
Definitely, they are the one who is chasing all the contractors and everybody. They are the one who is ensuring that PPM everything is happening on time without fail.
Right.
Because
Okay.
administration is very important when it comes to facility management for sure.
They will be the backbone, right?
Of course, because putting everything in the chart and everything doesn't mean that it is working.
Correct.
There is
Correct.
somebody who need to chase them. And of course, the contractor, they will not show up on time. Others know that very well.
Absolutely, yes.
Contractors, they will not show up very well unless you chase them.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one more question.
Yeah.
Others.
Mithun, do you have any ISO certifications?
We do have.
And could you explain what are the process or system you follow to maintain the?
Well, when it comes to our ISO, it is ISO 22000-2018. This is more into food related. And secondly, we do have hazard HACCP, hazard analysis certificate as well. So being we are into food industry, the ISO what we require is food related.
Yes.
Okay, that is more into food quality and all the temperature and all these things. So in that certification also, the critical control point is temperature.
Temperature, yes.
Yeah, exactly. So in all, the food quality team, facility team, everybody concentration is on temperature.
Oh, okay.
Even the production team, production team is not allowed to retain the item more than 20 minutes in a chiller facility. So once the production is completed, immediately it will be moved to respective chamber. They will not wait for like, okay, let the batch complete, then only I'll move. No, not like that. Whatever portioning is happening, immediately maximum they are allowed to keep it over there in the chiller temperature, maximum 20 minutes.
Oh.
Within 20 minutes, the item should move to respective chambers.
So process is mostly a process-oriented environment. I'm saying that, right? The process-oriented. So of course, there's challenges, and so what's the opportunity into your field? This new, the graduates who is getting the certification, let us say for our diploma certificates, and what is their opportunities to your sectors, right? To work in your sector and for their career growth.
Well, not only to my sector, actually nowadays, whichever FM sector you look into, they are asking for certification. They are not
Yes.
only looking into experience or something. If you have a certificate, because as like I said, the training period will be very drastically less, and they will easily understand what is FM, what is PPM. A normal graduate who's coming from like any graduation sector, definitely he should undergo a training when it comes to like purely into FM division, because he will not be familiar with the technicality. He will not be familiar with the maintenance plan. He will not be familiar with the schedules and all these things. So me, if I'm just shortlisting 5 or 6 candidates with equal ranking after interview, definitely I will choose 1 or 2 who is having certificate.
Yes. No, yes. So there's many of them. They want to come into this industry, but still they have a doubtful that whether this industry is safe or not, because as you see that artificial intelligence is take over many of job positions. Okay. So what do you see that is there any threats for the facilities management professionals for the the evolving technology like artificial intelligence?
I will not look into that as a threat or something like that. Yes, like any sector, AI will, if AI enters the facility, definitely there will be like layoff and everything will be there. But it doesn't mean that it can replace the humans. So it will enhance the work. It will just improve the quality of work, or it will reduce the downtime. It will enhance the, like what you say, the working pattern of the FM professionals. It is not going to replace them or something, because
No,
for sure AIs and everything can give alerts, but who need to fix it out? Definitely a person need to fix it out. AI itself, it will not fix it. It will give you alerts and everything, and it can avoid a lot of things. I totally agree, but AI will not be 100% solution for everything.
Yes,
It will enhance it. It will make our life easier, definitely, for sure.
This is what I'm just telling to our the students who wants to enter into the industry. AI will make our job more easier.
It will make our life easier, definitely, for sure.
We can make it our job more efficient.
Yes.
Okay. So there is no. Yes, Pawan. Pawan asked something.
No, I said well said.
Yes, correct. So yes, so that's our job is more easier. That's the reason that artificial intelligence module included my 3 courses. I mean, the diploma in facilities management, there is artificial intelligence modules are there. How we are going to connect with the facilities management areas, how we can function our operations more easily and efficiently. And also this module is included in facilities, the diploma in facilities administrations, as well as the diploma in operations maintenance as well. So artificial intelligence also you can learn from these courses. So basically you will have a multi certifications, okay, multi certifications, and definitely you will get it this artificial intelligence certificates also, which all is a globally recognized certificates. So you are graduates, and I'm sure that you are very much confident about your knowledge and all those things. But it's always better to learn a skill, because if you want to execute your knowledge, you need a skill. Okay, maybe you having a financial issues and all those things, but you have to manage that. Once we decided, yes, I want to learn it, that one, and of course you will join only after you do the investigations and the cost and benefit analysis, whatever you can do, and the industry growth. You can compare with the other industry as well, and you feel that one, okay, it is secure. Yes, please come and join, and definitely this will be a high income skill. And globally, there is an opportunities anywhere you go in the world. There is an opportunities, so you can develop your career also. And it's not for a single positions. Now let us say you are joined as an assistant facilities manager or supervisor or anything. You have opportunities to go up to the CEO level as well, right? So that's opportunities open in this industry. Okay, that's a male or female, whoever that, it doesn't matter on this. Yes, Midan.
I think there is a question over there in the chat box. Well, what you said is correct, Mr. Karthikeyan.
Facility is neither common for all, or it will differs like various environment: hotel, mall, IT, parks, data center, hospital. These are above, sir. Yes.
No, what he said is correct. No, facility is the same for. Actually, it is you who is going to decide how your facility need to be managed.
Yes.
Correct?
Philosophies will be, as I said, that we have divided this industry into three different environments. Critical environments, like Midin is managing, where you have to, the facilities manager focus on 24/7 equipments and zero downtime. Okay, so as Midin mentioned, that there is no chances to failure the equipments. So that's you are mostly, your focus on that. But when it comes to so critical environment means the factories, manufacturing plants, and airports, data center, these all things you can consider as some critical environment. But when it comes to the semi-critical environment, like shopping malls, commercial building, and all those things, as well as non-critical environment, which is villas, complex, and high-rise and low-rise buildings, all those things, where the facilities manager more focus into business continuity and customer satisfaction, user experience, and where you have little downtime is acceptable. Let us say 1 hour, 2 hour, if there is any breakdown, which is acceptable anyway. So, but philosophies are different. Because you are learning the fundamentals. It is like a driving. When you learn the driving, you can drive any kind of vehicles. Correct or not? Okay. Leave it that higher end vehicles, but let us say that if you have normal license, which we can drive the car, any type of car you can even drive Ferrari as well. No one will
A
stop.
person who knows the driving, he can have a smooth drive in the on-road. If he's going off-road, definitely you need to
Yes.
you need to know the driving, and you will
Correct.
change your driving style when you're going
Right.
off-road. That's all.
Absolutely. So that's why. So you don't want to go to learn new things for different sectors. Once you learn this diploma in facilities management or any kind of diploma, and we are discussing in many areas. Pavan, you remember that we have discussed about different sectors, and
Yes, sir.
where you told me at that point of time that, sir, yes, also if we learn this, we can work any sectors. So
Exactly.
if you learn this, that's what I said. You have a global multiple opportunities, or globally you have a multiple opportunities are there. You go to airport, you can manage airport. In the manufacturing unit, you can you can manage manufacturing. Shopping mall, you can manage shopping malls. If you go to schools, you can manage schools. High-rise building, low-rise building, communities, anything you can manage. Infrastructures, anything you can manage. So that's advantage. Now you can see that what are the opportunities are there. You are not into one area. That is the biggest advantage of this industry. Karthikeyan raised the hand. Yes, Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, you raised the hand. Karthikeyan. audio is Jayalakshmi, any question you have? Any
No, sir.
question?
No.
No question.
Nothing.
Okay. Kunal is. Are you from facilities management or what industry you are working and what do you do now, Kunal?
Sir, I did my facility management degree from Pune. Basically,
Okay.
it's related to the soft service. So I work with a company like Northwest.
Okay.
The company manages schools.
Okay, so you are into soft services. Yes, for your knowledge, soft services and hard services. Soft services will come into cleaning, security, pest control, landscapings, and the concierge services, messenger services, driver services. All those things comes under the soft services. When it comes to the hard services, which is all the equipments, fire system, lift, and low current system. These all things will come under the hard services. Okay, just I want to differentiate that. What is that? And when we we provide when the diploma in facilities management, we go through both soft services as well as the hard services as well. And of course, so within 6 months or 1 year, you will become a diploma holder and you can work it anywhere. Yes. Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? No questions. Okay, fine. So I would like to ask one final questions. It's not a question actually. Midun, what advice would you give to young professional entering the facilities management in manufacturing units? What advice you can give them? I think these questions are different way we asked it, but yes, as part of the final question, you can comment on that.
End of the day, you need to be serious about what you're doing. Okay, you need to have a focus. Like you need to first focus what you want to do, and I will recommend a certification and everything. If you are really planning to come into the field of facility management, because I am a finance graduate. Okay, I came into this, but Dr. Manoj know that very well. I am a finance graduate and I came into this particular field. Actually, my journey brought me into this sector. And once I reached it, I was not perfect. I went through a course together with Dr. Manoj, which really I know what I'm doing and everything, but that particular course helped me to systemize my job. Okay. I was able to deliver more promptly. It became more efficient, effective. So a certification or some like additional courses, definitely you need to till the end of the life you will keep on learning, because what you see today will not be tomorrow. Every single day it is getting enhanced. So it's always better to keep yourself updated and do some refreshment courses which keep you updated in the field. That's it.
Yes, because if you want to learn driving, and you can learn this from book also, but if you learn from book and so if you go there, you learn something from the book and you start to drive, then maybe it will the accident will happen, right? So you have to learn with an experts, then you drive the vehicles. And Pavan is saying that we are the salt for any curry served. We are the final ingredients. That's absolutely right, Pavan. Thank you very much. Yes, Midun, thank you very much for your
And one last question, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, no problem. Yeah.
Midun sir,
Yeah.
if you don't mind.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, right from 2006 when you landed there. Hello?
Yes,
I'm listening.
Right from probably 18 or 19 years of your experience, what was the very alarming thing? Is it the floods or the rising temperatures? What made you to run?
The flood only.
Only the flood.
Only the
The
flood.
recent flood. Only
The
the
thing
recent
is
flood.
that no, you need to consider one more thing. Okay, I'm living in Dubai. Okay,
Yeah, that,
flood is something what we are never expecting. Even the
thank you.
entire
In that aspect.
entire country
Okay.
was running behind it.
So
Rising temperature Yeah.
Yeah, the same thing.
The rising temperature, we are expecting it. Okay.
We are ready for that.
We are ready for that. We are ready for that. We are equipped for that. But a flood, we were never expecting. Yes, every single year we do have rain and everything. A slight, small flood and here and everything. It is. But last time it was really out of control. The entire place was flooded. That's it. That's it. What it is.
Probably
No,
the
yeah,
facilities in airport had a nightmare.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a basically, Pavan, we do a risk management. That's a part of facilities manager responsibilities. Like when whatever the facilities we are managing, we need to identify what are the risks associated with this building. The risk is basically three types. One is human made, natural made, and technology made.
Yes,
Three type of risk are there. So the type of building you are managing, you have to find out, you have to go through different scenarios. And okay, fire may happen, terrorist attack may happen, so flood may happen, or rising temperature, whatever. So accordingly, we have to prepare the emergency preparedness plan. And once we prepare the emergency preparedness plan, then we have to train our staff during this incident how we can handle those situations. Regarding the flood, what happens last time? Flood we never expected. So that is the reason we never prepared for that. And after some times, okay, when the flood is started, and we just try to cover that one. Then finally we came to know that one. Yes, no, it's not possible. We don't have any equipments for that. Okay, people can't move. People can't move from one place to another place because most of the road was blocked. Finally, we allow that situation. We accept the reality. Ferraris, Range Rovers, everything is under the water.
Even the aeroplanes were drowning.
Yes. So now what happened? Now we expected the flood. Now we prepare the emergency. We included those things also in our emergency preparedness, and we have prepared for that one. Now next time, if the flood comes, we know how to handle this. Facilities manager and the facilities management team knows that, and they know how to protect the occupants also. Because see, a facilities manager responsibility is to protect the people who live in the building, whoever the occupants. Okay, it is his responsibility. And let us say that 1,000, 2,000 people living in a building, and you are the facilities manager. You can just imagine that what is your responsibilities. Your negligence, your small negligence will lead to a disaster.
Exactly.
So you should be smart, you should be intelligent, you should be active, you should be passionate, okay, and you have a skill. You should have the skill, and you have the knowledgeable person, and you have the leadership skill, you have the management skill, you have the people skill. Some multi-talented person is a facilities manager. Okay, so that's we are training you, and that's the knowledge we are, or skill we are giving you through this courses. Okay, so something you take the diploma and you enter into the field, you will have a bright future. You will have a bright future, no doubt about that. And also I said we are giving you the placement. We are giving you the placement. Ask Midin is there. How many vacancies are still open in the industry?
Just to add to that, right now, if you ask me, definitely yes, we do have the emergency plan for the flood as well. We are fully occupied. Last flood, the entire area community was shut down for most of the company was not working for 6 to 7 days. We were back into operation, not fully, okay, partially operational, let's say 50% operational within 2 days of the incident. And now we are fully occupied. Again, in the worst scenario, definitely we need to get drowned. That is another thing. But meantime, we are 50% occupied to, if there is a flood coming up, definitely we are occupied to handle it out.
It's not only that, Pavan. It's not only that, Pavan. For incident, okay, let us say it's a building, it's a machineries, it's a humans do the inspections, and always mistake will happen, error will happen. But in case even the incident happens, either the natural made, or human made, or a technology made, the smartness, your responsibility to bring back that credibilities. Okay, because if there is an incident happens, it will affect your credibility. So, facilities manager, the smartness is how you can restore the business ASAP, as soon as possible. That's your smartness, where you can save your organization's credibility. You are completely responsible for that. Clear?
Yes.
Again, it is not one man show. You need to have a very good team.
It's not a one man show. it's a team,
Coordination.
And
Absolutely.
your team need to be recognized also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
Sir, I was Mithun sir. What I was meant. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
go ahead.
listening.
Yes.
From 2006 to now, you have seen a lot of technology upgrade, monitoring upgrade. Things have become so easy.
Yes.
How many times were the chillers automated in probably once in 5 years, once in 10 years, or you maintaining the same?
Annually we are doing it.
I mean, is it? I'm asking about the upgrade, not about the
Upgrade.
basic settings.
No, once in every 5 years.
Once in every 5 years.
5 years, yes.
There was a drastic change in the climate. The temperatures were
Not
rising.
because of that. The climate is there. Of course, your facility, the assets and everything need a replacement for sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Not just because of the climate or something. Yes, climate also do matters. But we used to like
No, there is nothing consistent in this nature. Either it
Yeah.
is a human or a machinery or anything. There is no consistency for anything. At one point of time, you have to decline. And facilities manager, what they do, they will provide the proper maintenance activities, which are preventive, corrective, and predictive maintenance activities. And we are extending the lifespan of the equipments.
yeah,
So
Yes.
we have to keep monitoring. Like Pavan, we do the dieting and we go for gym and we take care of our health, and
Yes.
definitely you can live.
Maintenance.
Yes, you can live like maybe 100 years. Okay, no doubt about that. But if you are not taking care, you are not doing any gym or anything. By 50, you will. By 40, maybe you will go. you will.
Critical one.
The same philosophy that's everything facilities manager has to decide on that, how he need to apply for this. And as I said, that according to the condition of the equipments, we are deciding what type of preventive maintenance we need to apply on the equipments. Let us say that you are the young now, you don't want to go check up for every month. It's once in a year is enough. Just to do check up or anything. But when you become elder and when you become so weak, and maybe you need to do the checkup every month
Once in
or
3
every
months,
quarter.
once in.
Absolutely. So it's the same. As I said, again, I'm always connecting with the healthcare things, because you can easily understand that, right? So yes, it's a facilities manager responsibilities there to extending the equipments and saving the money, saving the cost. Okay, we are responsible for protect the asset life and unnecessary replacement kind of things. Okay, that's what we do exactly. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mithun sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
The FMCG was so hard hit when first tsunami occurred in Japan and other parts of the world.
Okay.
So the FMCG got upgraded with all chillers, automation, everything. But still, when the flood hit you, how far was the damage? Is it 20, 30% of 100%?
No, actually, I'll say from the inventory we were not having any issue, because
Any
the
issue.
design of the facility was in such a way it didn't enter
Tamper
the
anything.
chilling or something.
Yeah, basically this is most of the time, like let us say chiller or any equipments, everything is on the roof. Okay, very few machinery is only in the basement area or ground. Let us say that firefighting equipments and transfer pump and kind of equipments in the basement or a ground floor levels. And of course, main distributions board, I mean, electrical room and all those things. But the most, high value equipments, it's above the roof. So that's why there were not much damage on that one. Yes, of course, fire equipments and everything got damaged, and so many repairs we supposed to do that. And of course, lift also sometime, because water is come to the ground floor, which is gone to the lift car, and that damaged a lot of things. Yes, damages happens, like damage in the sense of huge damage. Okay, but again, how fast you can restore that those things, that's the important part. Okay,
Our major issue was with the office.
That's the reason when we do the budget, and we will ask the contingency fund as well, because during kind of emergency scenarios, we will have enough money to resolve this matter. Okay, I mean, we definitely need a money in such situations. Yes, Midan. Yes.
Actually, our main affected area was the office and mainly IT.
IT, okay.
Yes. Restoring, touchwood, we were having a cloud backup, so it was so easy for us to
On the
restore
safer
within
side.
like 1.5 day.
Yeah.
Yes. Also
Even
such a
still,
way, yeah, also now design, completely the designing philosophy is changed. Such a way they are designing the building. Now they will look into the, okay, next time the flood comes, like a flood barriers and kind of things. Such a way they are designing the building, because 1976, I think the first flood happens in UAE, and after so many years, this flood happens, unfortunately. And now we really want to think about that. Next time when such incident happens, we have to
Okay.
there should be such major damages. Yes, Pawan. Yeah.
so Midun sir, I heard that places like Japan, they keep every equipment in a place where even a 8 magnitude won't touch them.
Because it's a regular practice over there.
Oh, there, yeah. So
we
nothing
were
disturbs
only concerned about the temperature over here in the desert.
temperature. Yeah. So it is
Yes.
sitting there. That's the most disastrous thing. I think they experience it every 6 months, 3 months, something like that. Yeah.
Because actually Siemens, one of my cousin is working over
Exactly.
there. It took them to restore their IT like more than a week.
For them.
For them. Why? Because, no, let me come to that. They were having the server in the basement.
Acha,
Server
okay.
in the basement.
Basement, yeah.
Yes.
Which
You
wiped
guys,
out everything.
See, basically,
did it in 1.5 day, and that is good. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, basically, one more thing I need to ask, tell you that facilities management not only involve after the building handover. Pawan, we have learned in the last class that
Yeah, yes, sir.
the life cycle of the facilities management, basically they are involving from the planning stage onwards. When
Okay.
a developer start to design their building, I mean plan their building in their mind, from there on the facilities management is involving to support them, support them for the design, support them for
Design
the
stage.
what is commissioning,
Functionality. Yeah.
handover, yes, and operations maintenance, and renovation, adaptation, and finally demolishing this building.
Exactly.
Facilities managements are involving. So it's a that's what I said. It's a multi domain facilities basically. Yes. It was any other questions for anyone? Jayalishmi, Adarsh, Kunal, Anub, Kunal, you are the soft services, but since you have the degree of facilities management and soft services, these courses are very much helpful for you to upgrade yourself. Okay. And definitely the facilities management degree, they will give you the knowledge, but skill we are providing. So you are working in the soft services, doesn't matter. We will learn the 360-degree domains, and once you have a basement, but you have to make it more strong, that basement, that basements, and then you can enter into the to the industry, and you will have a bright futures. So don't look at the difficulties now, because discomfort will be there, and the financial issues will be there, and that's when we go on for the higher study also, there were financial issues are there. It's not like that your
Yes.
parents having a lot of money and they send you for a higher studies. No, they have a difficulties, but their expectation is, yes, one day my children will bring back this. Yeah, they can peacefully sit. So you have to fulfill their dreams. Okay. So that's the reasons you have to accept this short-term discomfort for your long-term comfort. With this quote, thank you very much, Midin. Thank you very much for your presence, and thank you all. And
Happy to join.
we will come up with another episode, which is FM Experts with Dr. Manoj Kurup. And thank you very much. A nice conversation. Pavan, Sai, thank you very much.
Thank you, Midun sir. Thank you for the
Thank
time.
you,
Pleasure.
everyone. Thank you so much.
Kunal, you have to think about this, okay? You have to think about. You have bright futures on this. Others, thank you very much. Jayalishmi, thanks
Yes, sir.
for
Thank you, Midun.
joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I think I covered everything, everyone. And yes, Anup Jabalkar, yes, thank you very much. Divak, thank you.
sir.
Yes, Midhan, thank you very much, man. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Happy to join. Others, keep in touch. Give me a
Yes.
call.
Sure, Midun, sure.
Yes. Kunal, you will contact us, right, Kunal? Yes, you will.
Yes,
You will
sir.
contact.
Sir, I will contact.
Yes,
So,
and at least you need to understand. You do some research. Okay, you are already in soft services, and soft service is the problem. I will tell you now. More into robotic cleaning. Now, let us say if you are in a cleaning, now more into robotic, and so that area is slightly 50-50
Really.
part on this, and I can see that in the building, in office building, there were dozens of cleaners are going there for a vacuum machine and everything for the office cleaning. Nowadays, no one is there. No one is there. Everyone is rented for that robotic cleaning, and they just a program that they close the office and they go. When they comes the morning, everything was cleaned perfectly. The carpets are cleaned perfectly, and the robot itself park in one corner. Okay, so think about, you have to upgrade. This is very important that you are anyway in this field, and this is my strong recommendations. It is not only for, don't think that I am telling this for a business. Apart, beyond making profit, beyond making any money on this business, I have a commitment, and I'm here to fulfill that commitment. Okay, Guna. Yeah. And thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.